and you really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what?
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Amari Samaya back with another video. To the people that are returning to my channel, thank you so much for continuing to rock with me, rock out with your girl. You know, it's nothing but here. We like down here a little bit, you know. Well, we never down here though. That's what, you know what? Actually, we always up here, but my YouTube, you know, we about to go here. Like we about to go all the way up. So just letting y'all know that, in case y'all didn't know. To the people that's back at my channel, welcome. How are ya? How was your day today? Did you drink enough water? I know I did, because my skin is glowing. It's just this light. I'm not even gonna hype myself up because it's definitely this lighting right here. But anyway, if y'all haven't checked out my skincare routine, go ahead and check my skincare routine out. Link's gonna be right up there. So this video today is a room tour video. I think my room is lit. I love it, and I'm not even gonna talk no more. Let's get it.
Send me off your work. You see me do me that. So me better work. When you walk a when you care for my join me, I deserve it. Work. Send me off your work. So me better work. Send me off your work. So me better work. Send me off your work. So me better work. Send me off your work. You see me do me that.
Get done, that work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. When you at a twin, I would still choose you. Tune up. Work. You see me do me that. Do me that. See me do me that. Do me that. Get done. Get done. Nothing to be learned. Get done. Get done. Get done. Get done. Get done.
Thank you guys for watching this video, and I really appreciate all of my love and support that I've been getting. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye. Get ready.